life is funny. Life is funny. It gives you Excuse me. If you got to sneeze and you don't know if you got to sneeze, if you look to the light, it will help you sneeze. Crap you should know. But that's not today's crap you should know. I had another one, but that's going to have to do because I'm in a situation. So if you look back here in the bushes and the trees back there, that houses a cute little fuzzy skunk. And I had my window down just a moment ago, and I hear scratching around. I thought it was a bird because the birds like this area because of the shade and the seeds that somebody threw. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I hear it. Then all of a sudden I get a whiff. I get a whiff of a skunk. So that skunk is now currently under my truck, and I've been keeping an eye out. It's under my truck, just chilling, and I'm afraid to turn my truck on because I may scare it enough where it will spray the undercarriage of my vehicle. I don't want to get out of the car to scare it away because then I'll get sprayed. I don't want to. So somebody come over here, help me. I'm on Wall Street. You come over here and you come scare the skunk out of the way so I can leave. Nobody's going to help me. Nobody's going to.
A few moments later.
Update. I did move. I just had to pull over again. It sprayed the undercarriage of the vehicle. It stinks so bad.